Today I have a service call on one of this rooftop unit that is not working. The air conditioning is not coming on. Okay, it could be the unit. So here is the unit I'll be looking at based on the information given to me. So this is the unit. So the air conditioning is not coming on, so we're going to check and see what's going on. Okay, so nothing seems to be happening, so I'm just going to open the electrical panel here, and we'll take a look what's on the display on the control board. Oh boy! Wow! So this is what I see here. So barely seeing this. I'm not just going to touch the electrical. I don't want any burnt wire that is hanging somewhere touch the plate, and then you'll be grounded, so you don't want that. So so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go back to the electrical room downstairs and turn it off from the main, turn it off from the power source, and then come back here again, and then take a look, and then try to isolate it. So I'm just going to go closer, so you can see my transformer is burned out, and it sounds like it has also affected the control board. And when this transformer is burned out, chances that it may have affected also the vent motor. Okay, so all right, I'll keep you posted. Okay, so I'm back in, turning off from the mail. So again, it's also turned off here, but I'm not just gonna 100% just keep working on it. I'm gonna use my voltmeter to do a reading. So here's my voltmeter. I'm gonna have to see if there's any voltage still hanging somewhere on this unit. Okay, so my meter is properly set. So this is my incoming lines. So here, so I'm just gonna see. I don't have any power there on the second line, so I'm measuring line to ground. So now I'm sure now there is no power in here. So now that I know there's no power coming in, so I cannot start playing with my equipment. So I'm not going to spend much time on this transformer. This is gone. I'm just going to remove that, replace it. So but with this control board, what I need to do here, though there is a black spot in there, so I'm going to use electrical contact cleaner to clean it. Then after changing this transformer, and then I'm going to really thoroughly clean this control board. I'm going to lose it, look at the back, see if there's any crack. If there's no crack, and then all this substance black are all clean out. So hopefully I could be able to save this control board. And also there are a couple wire burnt there, so I'm going to have to replace those wire. So again, I'll keep you posted, and I will let you know what I've seen so far. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you can see this. This is the transformer. You can see how burnt it is. Really burnt out. So this is a transformer that is feeding the vent motor. So I kind of have a lot of experience with this, seeing that when this transformer goes, chance of the vent motor also going bad. So but we're gonna look at that. So though I'm not confirming it, you can see how really burnt this transformer gets. All this lead burnt, and all this wire here get burnt. Maybe the board also, which not confirmed yet, but we'll see better. Okay, so I have my electrical contact cleaner here with me, so I'm going to use it to clean this, which I have sprayed on it. So I'm going to spray more, so just to clean it more. You see So the essence of me doing this is to remove any build-up of a suit, any build-up. The manufacturer of this electrical contact cleaner said it dry really fast, but I'm gonna wait for say 30, 45 or even more hours before energizing the system. So hopefully this board comes back to life. That will save the owner more money. So I'll keep you posted. Okay, so as you can see, my transformer is hooked up, and you can see the board is clean. We'll see if the board okay electrically, if it's okay, but I'm going to still give it a couple of minutes to get it dried. You can see it's clean. So subscribe to HVAC mechanical systems. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay, so like I said, once that transformer burn out, the chance of this vent motor also burning out, I've seen it many times. So I'm just going to try to ohm it out before I even turn on that vent, the transformer. I don't want to lose that transformer, really very expensive. So I'm going to just set my own meter here. So here is I have 4 wire here of the vent motor, so it's connected to this pin connector here. So I'm just going to pull it out. Okay, so I'm just going to measure my black to ground. Okay, and see if see what I'm getting. So sorry, I'm struggling trying to show you. So I put it to black, and you can see it's already ohming here. I'm supposed to get 0 or OL, but here to ground. So it means once my transformer, once power comes in, it's just gonna blow the transformer again, and it's gonna just cost me a lot of money, and the customer can take that. So you can see I've been able to figure this out and say this vent motor is really bad, so still have to change this vent motor. Well, so thank you. Okay, so my vent motor is in, and my transformer is hooked up, and I guess this might be dried up. So what I'm gonna do now is to go back to the electrical panel downstairs and turn it on, and I will begin to turn the unit on one by one and see the action of the unit. So but before I go, I'm going to have to turn off this unit. I'm going to have to turn it off. So when I turn it on downstairs, I'm going to come down here, turn it back on, begin to take amps reading, take voltage, begin to cross check them with the nameplate slowly, and see how the unit is reacting. So I will keep you posted. We are almost done, so thanks for watching. Okay, so while we are doing repairs, so we still have to change this air filter. You can see how clogged is this air filter on this unit. So this air filter on this unit is 20 by 20 by 2, so I'm going to replace it. Okay, so here's my new air filter, and here's my old air filter. So you can see. So if you are air, tell me where will you go. Just look at it. Okay, so this air filter is replaced. Okay, so I turn it on. You can see I'm having power coming in, and that flash signified that there's a call. There's a no heat call or no cool call. Now I think that it's just energized. We see. So okay, so it means there's a call, and we see. Okay, so you can see my vent motor comes on. I can see my air coming out. So I'm not going to stay here that long anymore because it's raining. It's just rain is about to start. So I want to quickly just round up, and I want to thank you so far for staying that much, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. So again, I can get my vent motor running here, and there's a flash there. Okay, yeah, I got a gas valve open on the spark, so you can see So yeah, I got a heat here. There's dirt on there, so it's gonna have to go. So anyway, so thanks for watching, and I appreciate your staying this far. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.